Good morning, Junior 3. How are you? Today we are making a revision about the area of complex shape. Let's start with me and please open your booklet, okay? And solve with me. Number 1 here, to get the area of any complex shape. Number 1, we divided them into regular shape. And you know what is the regular shape you took it? Yes, you know it, rectangle and square. To get the area of rectangle, I have in rectangle 2 dimension, length and width, so we make times to get the area of rectangle, length times width. But what the difference between square? Square has 4 sides are equal. So to get the area of a square, we make times between the two lengths because I have the 2 dimension are equal. Length times length or length times itself. Remember that it's very important to get the area of complex shape. Now open your booklet page 61 and solve with me. Number 1, I have this shape. This shape is complex shape. Okay, to get the area of complex shape, we make what? Yes, we divided it into regular shape. So I make here our line and we get 2 shapes here. Look here at the first shape. I have 2 dimensions, not equal, 3 meter and 5 meter. So this is rectangle. And to get the area of this rectangle, we make times between them. 3 times 5. What about the second shape? Here I have 2 dimension, but the 2 dimension here is equal. So 3 times 3 equal, yes, 9 meters squared. So the area number 1, 3 times 5 equal 15 meter squared, and 3 times 3 equal 9 meter squared. Okay, now how to get the complex shape? We make plus between them. So I will make plus between the 2 area. I get it. 15 plus 9 equal, yes, 24 meter squared. This is the area of complex shape. Okay, number 2. Here I have another complex shape. Make a line to get 2 regular shape. The first shape I have here, line, the length equals 7 centimeters, so the opposite equals 7. But you have here a small part equal 2 centimeters. So what is the remainder? Remainder equal, yes, 7 minus 2, and 7 minus 2 equal 5 centimeter. And the opposite side of this part equal also 5 centimeter. Okay, now I have the total width here 5 centimeter, and he take 1 centimeter part from it, so the remainder it will be 4. Now I have 2 shapes. The first shape I have 2 dimension, 2 and 5 and 1. Okay, and the second has 2 dimension also, 4 and 5. 4 and 7. So the first area, make times between 4 and 7 equal 28 centimeters squared, and area number 2, the 2 dimension is 5 and 1, so make times between them equal 5 centimeters squared. The total area here, I will make plus between the 2 area. So 28 plus 5 equal 33. And don't forget the unit of this problem. So here I have the unit is centimeters, so the total area equals 33 centimeters squared. Okay, another one. This complex shape I have. Again, make line to divide it to regular shapes. Okay, this line I divided it into shape. The first one I have the four sides equal 10 centimeter. Look here, he give you up 10 meter and the opposite equal 10, and the width here give you 10 meters, so the opposite equal also 10. So I have the square, and the area of a square, it's length times length, so 10 times 10 equal 100. The second, I have here 8 meters, so the opposite side equal 8. Okay, but what about this part? He gave you the all of length equal 14, and you take 10 meter from it, so the remainder is 4, and the opposite side equal 4. So I have two dimension, 8 and 4. Make times between them to get the area of rectangle. Now I want the total area, so I make plus between them. 100 plus 32, it will be 132 meters squared. Okay. Another, I have here another complex shape. Make line to divide it into regular shape. Okay, I have this side equal 7 centimeters, so the opposite equal also 7. But he gave you two parts of it. The first part he gave you 2 centimeters and the second is 2 centimeters, so the remainder part from 7 equal 3. Make minus between 7 and 4. Okay, and the opposite side equal 3. Now you have two shapes. The first has two dimensions 3 and 2, and the second has two dimensions 7 and 4. Make times between 3 and 2 to get the first area, 6 centimeters squared, and the second shape make times between 7 and 4, it will be 28 centimeters squared. To get the total area, yes, make plus between them. Excellent, Junior 3. Okay, please take your screenshot and answer it in your booklet. Don't forget it. Another, I have here another complex shape, so make line to divide it. Okay, here he give you up 30 meter in length, so the opposite equal 30. But he give you the total length equal 70 meters, so I will make minus between 70 and 30, it will be 40. Okay, make times to get the first area. I have two dimensions, 70 meter and 30, so 70 times 30 equal what? We down, how many zeros you have? You have here 2 zeros, so drop 2 zeros and make times between 3 and 7, it will be 21. So it will be 2100 meters squared. The second area, make times between 30 and 40. Okay, so 30 times 40, I dropped the 2 zero and 3 times 4 equal 12. To get the total area, make plus, yes. And the result will be 3,300 meters squared. Then, okay, here another shape. Don't forget, we make, yes, line to divide it into regular shape. Okay, this part you make it's equal. Look at the opposite. side equal 4 meters, so it will be 4 meters. Okay, what about the width? I have here 14 meters for all shape, and he took 6 meters, so the remainder it will be, yes, 8 meters, so the opposite equal 8 meters. You have now two shapes and you know it all dimension of it. The first, I have 12 and 6, so make times between them. 12 times 6 equal, yes, 72, and don't forget your unit. And area number 2, make times between the, yes, two dimension is 8 and 4. It will be 32 meters squared. So the total area it will be 72 plus 32 equal 104 meters squared. Yes. The next, okay, this shape, I have a line here to get the two regular shape. Here, this line equal 2 and 3 centimeters, so it's equal 5 centimeter, and the opposite equal 5. Okay, here I have the width 4 centimeters, so the opposite equal 4 centimeter. So I have two lines here, two dimension. In the first area, 5 times 4. Okay, what about the second shape? I have here the total width here 6. You took 4. That's right. In the first shape you took 4. So the remainder it will be 2 centimeter. Now I have the two dimension of this shape. 5 and 2. So the first area 5 times 2 equal, yes, 10 centimeters squared, and the second is 5 times 4 is 20 centimeter square, and the total area it will be plus between them. It will be 30 centimeters squared. Excellent, Junior 3. Okay, here, what do you make here? Yes, line to divide it, and this line it equal, yes, the opposite side is 6 meters, so it will be 6 meters. Okay, now you have 2 meters, 6 meters, 2 meters, so the total length here, yes, 10 meters. Okay, you have the width is 12 meters, and you take here down, the first shape is 6 meters, so up it will be 6. And what about the opposite side is 6 also. So I have here the first shape, the first dimension is 10 and 6. Make times between them, don't forget your unit. And the second shape 6 and 6, and the total area here we make plus between them. It will be 96 meters squared. This is the total area or the area of complex shape, because the complex shape it's equal the sum of two area of the regular shapes. Okay.